Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to verify WeChat Pay account. First, open your WeChat app and log into your account, or if you don't have one, create a new account. WeChat is used to contact people all over the world, and it is also used to transfer payments or receive payments internationally. To verify your WeChat Pay account, click on this right top plus icon and click on Money. Here you have to add a card first and connect to your bank account. In this section, select your card type and your bank account. You can select bank in which you have opened your account. After choosing your bank account, give your card number, and after giving all this information, click on Next. And they will verify your WeChat Pay account, and after that you will be able to send or receive money all over the world, and this is how you can verify your WeChat Pay account. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.